Don't take your eyes for granted. Remember that your eyes are an important part of your health. Good vision helps you perform well at home, at work, or even behind the wheel. Caring for your vision doesn't begin and end with eyeglasses, contact lenses, and corneal modification surgeries like LASIK. In this episode, How to Be will give you helpful tips to take good care of your eyes. So make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can access more of our videos. It's important to see your eye healthcare professional regularly to help avoid or reduce vision problems. But before going to a professional, we have tips that you can do to help keep your eyes healthy and make sure you are seeing your best. Number 1. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. Your diet should include plenty of fruits and vegetables, especially deep yellow and green leafy vegetables. Eating fish high in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, tuna, and halibut can also help your eyes. Make sure to stay until number 10 because number 10 is simple yet effective. Number 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or having obesity increases your risk of developing diabetes. Having diabetes puts you at high risk of getting diabetic retinopathy or glaucoma. Number 3. Get regular exercise. Exercise may help to prevent or control diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. These diseases can lead to some eye or vision problems. So if you exercise regularly, you can lower your risk of getting these eye and vision problems. Number 4. Wear sunglasses. Sun exposure can damage your eyes and raise your risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Protect your eyes by using sunglasses that block out 99 to 100% of both UVA and UVB radiation. Number 5. Wear protective eyewear. To prevent eye injuries, you need eye protection when playing certain sports, working in jobs such as factory work and construction, and doing repairs or projects in your home. Number 6. Avoid smoking. Smoking increases the risk of developing age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts that can damage the optic nerve. Number 7. Know your family medical history. Some eye diseases are inherited, so it is important to find out whether anyone in your family has had them. This can help you determine if you are at higher risk of developing an eye disease. Number 8. Know your other risk factors. As you get older, you are at a higher risk of developing age-related eye diseases and conditions. It is important to know your risk factors because you may be able to lower your risk by changing some behaviors. Number 9. If you wear contacts, take steps to prevent eye infections. Wash your hands well before you put in or take out your contact lenses. Also, follow the instructions on how to properly clean them and replace them when needed. And last but not least, number 10. Give your eyes a rest. If you spend a lot of time using a computer, you can forget to blink your eyes and your eyes can get tired. To reduce eye strain, try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away about 20 feet in front of you for 20 seconds. Looking after your eyes when there's nothing wrong with them might feel pointless, but you'll appreciate it in the long run. Anyone with symptoms or a family history of eye disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure should see an ophthalmologist to determine how frequently your eyes should be examined. Do you have any additional tips? Please share and let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to see more of our How to Be videos. See you next time in How to Be.